Hello, I am Abidatu Harun and I'm a nurse at the Spine and Nerve Center, Ghana. And today I'm here to talk to you about the anatomy of the spine. The spine contains vertebrae. So with the vertebrae, we have the cervical vertebrae, which is 7, the thoracic, that is 12, and then the lumbar, that is 5. Here is a small model of the vertebrae. So the vertebrae, in between the vertebrae, we have the intervertebral disc that cushions the vertebrae and then it helps in motion. So when there is trauma to the cushion-like substance, that's the disc, it causes bulging or herniation of the disc. This pinches the nerve. This causes pain that is chronic, and then the pain could radiate to other parts of the body. So here at the Spine and Nerve Center, our treatment is non-invasive, non-pharmaceutical, and then our treatment is also non-surgical. So visit our center if you have this problem. Thank you very much.